Welcome to solverfy.
All right, in this problem, we're given a vector, and that vector has a magnitude of 35 units and an angle of 325 degrees. So this angle right here is 325 degrees from the positive x-axis, and the length of this vector is 35.0 units. And the question is, what are the x and the y components of this vector? And there's two different ways that we could do it. First of all, we could look at this angle right here and realize that that angle is just going to be 360 minus 325, which is 35 degrees. And we could figure out that the x value is equal to, that's going to be cosine 35 times the cosine of that 35 degrees, and the y value is going to be 35 times the sine of that 30 degrees. And when we plug in the math, we get an x value of 28.7 and minus 20.1 in whatever the units are. And this minus sign, we have to remember to put in. When we look at this vector, we know that the final point is down, and so the y value is going to be minus. And so if we do this method, we have to be careful to keep track of our minus signs. The other way, which is the way that I like to do it, when we're dealing with vectors measured from the positive y-axis, we can actually just say 35 cosine of 325 degrees, and for the y value, we can say 35 times the sine of 325 degrees. And when you do that math, it will actually tell you that that x value is a positive 28.7 and the y value is a negative 20.1. And so if you're able to use the full angle, you're able to have the math do the work for you. And so the final result, our x value is 28.7, our y value is minus 20.1 in whatever units we're given. And that's how you do it.